Hey guys, welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Droop dance emote from Fortnite Chapter 2. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you and the Foxy LOL for being the first one to request it. Alright, so let's start with something super simple first. We're gonna take, let's say, the right arm, we want to bring it up here, shoulder height, and then we want to bring the right hand down, yeah? And we want to do a fist like this. So, up, prep, hit, down. Yeah, now we want to do it with our left, so we want to say here, hit, down, right, fist, down. Left fist down, right fist down. Now we want to do 5 of those, and we want to start with our right. So let's just try that. I'm going to count to 8, and then we're going to go and here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and right fist, left fist, 3, and 4, here, last time, here, yeah? Pretty simple, right? Alright, let's move on to the legs. So, spread them out a bit, go a bit down on level, so bend our knees, and then we're gonna start lifting our left leg, just slightly like that, and then the right leg, left leg, right leg. We're gonna do 5 of those, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so we're gonna start with the left, and also end with the left. So let's just try that again, just the legs. So I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty simple, right? Let's just try that once again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's try to combine it with the arms. So when I say prep with my right hand here, I want to lift up my left, and when I bring it down, I want to push down my right hand, yeah? So it's always opposite, right hand, left leg, and then left hand, right leg. Yeah, so we're going to go and 1 and 2 and so on. So we're going to do 5 of those. I'm going to count to 8, and then we're going to start. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Let's try again, yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Alright, moving on to the next part. Basically, the next part is just moving your head from side to side, and you want to tilt it like this, yeah? And then you sway your body from side to side, also following your head. Yeah, so when I'm tilting to the right here, my body's gonna say, sway to the right, and then the opposite. So we want to do four of those, and we want to start to our right side. So right, left, and at the same time, we also want to go down in level like this. Yeah, so we're doing this at the same time. We want to go whoom, 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 whoom. Yeah. You kind of lean a bit forward with your upper body here. So let's just try that. We're gonna go whoom, 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 whoom. 4 of those. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left. You should end down here somewhere. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Alright, let's take it from the tip to top so that we don't forget the first part. I'm gonna do a quick recap, and then we're gonna take it slow. Alright, so quick recap. We're going lift, down, 3, 4, 5, and then we want to say 1, 2, 3, stop. Alright, let's try a bit slower. I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna start by lifting the left leg. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go and down and down and down. Now last one. Here we want to say sway side to side to side and stop. Alright, let's just try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go lift, down, switch, down, switch, down, switch, down. Now last one. Here, now we want to sway right, left. Remember to go down and stop. All right, moving on to the next part. So we just did sway, sway, sway down here in this gorilla-like position. Now the next part is also gorilla-ish. And remember, you're bending a bit forward here, like this. So what you want to do is say, here using your shoulders. So I'm pushing down my right shoulder and left shoulder is going up. Now I'm going to do the opposite. I'm pushing left shoulder down, right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder. And you want to start by bringing your right shoulder down here, and the arms kind of just follow along. Whoop, up. So notice I'm taking my elbows up here. Whoop. Right elbow, left elbow, left elbow. And we want to do 5 of those, and we're going to start by bringing down our right shoulder. So we're going to say right, left, 3, 4, 5, stop. So let's just try to do that 2 times. I'm going to go a bit slower. I'm going to count to 8, and then we're going to go right shoulder down. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right shoulder, left shoulder, 3, 4, 5, stop. All right, one last time. So remember right shoulder, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, stop. All right, let's try to combine that with the first part. So I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. All right, so quick recap, starting from down here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now sway, 2, 3, stop. Gorilla, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. All right, now let's try to go a bit slower. So starting from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get ready to sway. 1, down 2, down 3, and stop. Now shoulder, right, down, left, right, left. Now last one, right, stop. All right, let's just try that again. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Get ready to sway. Here, down, down, stop. Right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, down. All right, guys, now the very last part. So we just did shoulder bit, blah, 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 blah. Now, the last part is just doing what we did before, the swaying part going down, and we just want to do it going up. Yeah, and we want to start to our right side, so we're going to say right, left, right, left, right. And here you basically can repeat the dance. Yeah, so we want to do 5 of those, starting to our right side. So let's just try that. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Now sway right, left, right, left, right, and repeat. And notice that I'm going up, 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 repeat. All right, so let's just try one last time. So remember, starting to our right side, we're gonna do 5 of those, and then here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left, right, repeat. All right, guys, now let's tie the whole thing together. I'm gonna do a quick recap, and then we're gonna take it slow. All right, so it's here, 2, 3, 4, 5, sway right, 2, 3, stop, shoulder right down, here, 3, 4, 5, stop now, right hip, left, right, repeat. Alright, let's try that a bit slower. So, starting from here, we're gonna count to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now sway, right, down left, down right, now stop, right shoulder down, boom, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop, hit, sway right, left, right, and then repeat. Alright guys, let's just try it one last time. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go lift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sway right, 1, down, 2, down, 3, and stop, gorilla, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop, sway right, right, and repeat. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Droop dance emote from the game Fortnite Chapter 2. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.